Hey guys, welcome back. This is episode 48 of Trading to a Million. The date here is the 9th of November 2020. So from what I can see here, this video is actually a Tuesday, not the previous video. So my mistake. Nevertheless, so we've got a long position here. This is roughly about, it's about 9 a.m. now from what I can see. And I just waited for the market to open, as you're seeing in front of you there, and the market actually opened down, which I was actually anticipating quite a bit of aggressive buying or some upside going into the open. So I took this weakness and saw this as an opportunity just to get long. So I got an easy one position, one contract long. I have got a few more contracts there that I'm looking at picking up if it does want to come down and retest. So by the looks of it, obviously at this point in time it looks like it's just off. Something that you guys can probably take notes on, and something that I look for when I see a bit of weakness, or for example if you're looking for a trade opportunity and you're looking at buying and a buying opportunity presents itself, but you're not too sure when to enter the position to go long because you could be just catching a falling knife. Something I do like to look for is even after you've entered the position, if the actual candles thereafter, or the price, whatever you want to call it, actually goes above what you can see here, where it initially opened on the gap down. Because if it is closing those levels, it is given a good indication that it's taken out those buyers and those sellers, and the market is moving efficiently now in terms of that, which is a really good sign. You can get sometimes where it'll go past that and then shoot back down, but generally if it closes that level, then that's great. But look, we just took a real easy profit there, and that was right before the market opened as well. Gave me an extra about 20 minutes to spare, thereabouts. So I saw that up roughly about $70, pretty much even. And I'm pretty happy to take that just before market open, and I believe I will leave the video recording here on market open as well, that if I was to see some weakness, another gap down on the domestic futures open, I was probably going to look at buying it again. But yeah, that trade was fine. Really quick, nice and simple, stress free, worked really well. Can't complain with that one in terms of that. So yeah, in terms of giving a little recap about November so far, it's been pretty modest. I've been making a nice amount of winning days. They haven't been anything crazy. I've had a couple decent wins, a little bit over about $300 on one day, but generally they've been around that, just under about $100, which has been fine. And look, obviously, I think the risk taken has been moderate, which is, working well. I'll continue to do that. There is some uncertainty in the market at the moment with this election and everything that's going on, so I'm just preparing myself for that. But if everything stays as is, we should be fine. So yeah. Anyway, I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for tuning in. Cheers.